Ever wondered what happens if you do a 1-minute plank every day? In just a few seconds, I'll reveal the surprising benefits. First, you'll notice improved core strength. Your posture gets better too, reducing back pain. You'll also boost your metabolism. Even your balance will improve over time. Consistent planking can enhance your flexibility. Plus, it's great for mental endurance. Need a quick workout? This is it. Add variations for more challenge. Remember, consistency is key. Feel the burn and know it's working. You'll see results in just a few weeks. Start today and transform your body. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more quick fitness tips.